一気に40にいかんかったらいけるんかな。
ペペペって一回入
ペペ
り直す人。
ペでいけそうっぽい。
入り直していいんだね。
あ、ペペペで。
ペペペって。
お願いします。
ありがとうございます。お願いします。
What the skibbity?
We're remaking again, I think.
Oh, they're making again.
Okay.
I was like, oh.
Thank you.
サーバー今になってサーバーが復旧してきた。
Chat, Kindred, everybody, I just want to let you know, the temptation with 40-something people in this VC to play a really loud fart sound effect is genuinely overpowering. Like my forehead veins are actually bulging trying not to play a really loud fart sound to everyone, and a lot of these people are live too. Many of them have never interacted with me before. It might be a terrible idea, but the funniness of it, I think, is genuinely starting to wear on my mind.
じゃあちょっと今日は。
はい。
またやります。
ありがとうございました。またお願いします。
What's happening?
ありがとうございました。
Wait, what's happening?
I think we're ending because
Yeah.
yeah.
The server won't work.
Oh.
ありがとうございます。
Oh wait.
Yeah.
ありがとうございます。バイバイ。
Arigatou gozaimasu. Hajimemashite. Bye bye.
See you next
Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.
Yeah.
See you next time.
Whoa.
Check it.
While everyone was going off in Japanese and I couldn't understand what was going on, I was actively fighting the urge to play the fart sound in and have everyone hear it because it would have been the funniest shit ever. I'm so sad I didn't actually do it.
When Vox Akuma joined,
I would have
joined the dead DC and then the played it. Every time he played, I fucking.
I joined.
I mean,
join if you have any answer.